Hello guys, I'm back with another video to do with Office 365 and like I mentioned in my previous video, I'm going to go over each application. So that's Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, Teams and OneNote. So let's go over Word first. So if you wanted to use Word, it's a bit different from how you would um, use Word on your desktop. So for example, if you're using your desktop, you'll simply just go on your desktop and double click and open the file or the application Word on your desktop. Then navigate to the file and load the file on and open the file in Word. But with Office.com, everything is saved in OneDrive over here. So if you were creating a document or you created a document in Word through Office 365, it will get saved in OneDrive, and then you can go into your OneDrive and double click and you can open that document in Word. And also another good thing about Office.com or Office 365 Online is your work is saved automatically. Let's say so. Let's just say your browser crashes up, then you you won't lose all your work because of the autosave feature, which is really useful. But you won't be able to do. Hold on. Let's just go on Word. So you can. It works pretty much similar to how you would use Word on the desktop. However, it's more of a stripped down version of Word. So let's just say you wanted to create a blank document, you click there, or general notes, just simply click this. Click on this, and it will bring up a Word like you're used to seeing it. So you have File, Home, Insert, Layout. You can go on the Classic, we're going to change it to Classic. References, Review, Help, Home. So you'll have most of the features that you'll need in order to carry out your work in Word, but you know there's still a lot of features that you won't have access to because this is just a basic version of Word. It's enough to get you for you to do your work, but it's really useful. You know what I'm saying? It's very good for students and like people who are just can't afford to pay for a full lot and like what I'm saying, can't afford Microsoft Office. This gives them the option to use this online, share documents, edit documents, collaborate and stuff, which is really good. So, you know, I'll go into all the features, saying, click on all of them and see what's in there. Hold on. So, if you clicked on File, you can go New. It'll open a document from your like it gives you an option to open in desktop app. So if you create a document here, you can open it in desktop application if you have Word installed on your computer. Version history is basically if your computer crashes or your browser crashes, you can click on version history and it'll show you the previous version that is saved, and you can click on that and retrieve all your work. Save as is a bit different from how it is on the desktop app. You know what I'm saying? You can download a copy, you can save it as a PDF or ODT file, or and you can rename this file and you can press save as and it'll save it in OneDrive. You can export it as a PowerPoint presentation, you can print this document, you can share it with people. So this is just information about yourself. This is it. This is Office or Word. Yeah, and you have all the regular like picture, drawing, all this stuff that you normally get with Word. But like I mentioned, it's more stripped down, and you can zoom to fit page, and like the different options. Switch to light mode. You can switch to light mode. I've got to set it to dark mode. You can go zoom in and out. And I'm saying it's a really useful tool. You know what I'm saying? Really useful. I like it a lot. Thank you for watching. In the next video, I'm going to go Excel. Thank you. Bye.